What's going on YouTube? I'm so pumped, headed to Romney Cycles for the second time this year, going to pick up a brand new 2018 YZ450. Can't wait, headed down right now. It's about 4:30, gonna get there late. Headed to my buddy Bruno's. We have the ramp in the back for mountain bikes. Got the S-Works in the back. Gonna rip some mountain bikes possibly if it's not too cold and rainy. But let's hit the road because we have a long drive. Gonna get there late. 6.5 hours. Let's go. We just arrived here. It's like 1:30 right now. What's up, Bruno?
What up?
What up? Say what up to the vlog. Yo, check this ramp out in the back, brother. EP. Rest in peace, Jesse Pierce. It has been. Actually got this ramp, dog. Thing is sick. Look at that thing. Thing is fat. 4-footer.
Look at the fucking tracks on it.
Yeah, the dirt bike track. They're still on it. Alright, brother. It's bedtime, I'm thinking, right?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Good morning. We're here with Bruno. We're driving around in the truck, about to get some breakfast. Got here late, about 1:30 last night. Real tired, got some good sleep. Nice shower in the morning. It is freezing down here. What's the temperature, man? It's got to be like 40 degrees?
42.
42 degrees. It is ridiculous. So we're headed to get breakfast right now, then off to Romney Cycles to pick up the 450. Okay, so we just left. Nice little coffee shop, organic place. What is it called, Bruno?
Bittersweet.
Hey, turn that
Cafe.
off. I'm gonna get demonetized. This kid. Man, what was it called again?
Bittersweet Cafe.
Okay, you got something in your teeth, by the way.
Alright.
Yeah.
Shout out to fucking Lemonade. Started at the top, now I'm here.
All right, so we're in the van right now, on my way to Romney Cycles. Bruno is doing some stuff with his brother, some stuff on his bike, getting ready to go mountain biking later. We are either gonna hit mountain biking or do some crazy mini golf thing. Not mini golf, like this green screen golf. I don't even know what it's called, but should be fun. Okay, we're here, Romney Cycles. Again this year. Haven't been here since the spring, so picking up a new bike. Beautiful, beautiful place they have here.
What's up, Sal?
What's going on, John?
How you doing, bud?
How are you?
I'm doing just fine. You should have got a ride down with these guys.
What's that?
They're from Binghamton, New York.
Yeah.
Good to see you again, my man. Good to go, Sal?
Ready to load this baby up, John?
Do I need a ramp, buddy?
I have a ramp in my van.
Okay,
Yep.
you guys.
So we got the new bike. John Clark at Romney Cycles.
Once again, how y'all doing?
Once again, the best dealership around. Could you hold these for a second?
Hooked them up once again.
Start her up. Too easy. All right, so we got the bike loaded up. Thank you, John.
Thank you, Sal. You're
Appreciate
awesome,
it so
buddy.
much.
Thank
So,
you.
Romney Cycles, everybody, shout out to them. They have the best deals, one of the biggest places I've ever seen, and it's just awesome being out here. Beautiful West Virginia. So we will see you guys back in Uniontown. What's up, y'all? So we're here. We got the bike in the back. Gotta unload it now. Let's see how she runs. Electric start. Bike is sweet. I'm loving this thing. It's so fast. Got so much power compared to the 250. And let me shut this off real quick. My Honda's in the past. Haven't got a new 450 since 2014. Yeah, so it's been 4 years. Bike's pretty sweet. Didn't think it would feel this nimble and whatnot. The Yamahas are pretty bulky, but the 2018 450 has pretty sweet airbox design up here. A bit different than the 250, so definitely a good bike. So I am super excited to rip this bike at K-Rock Best Whip this Friday coming up. Don't know the date, but be there or be square. And just loving this bike. Electric start. Little overview. I'll do a little overview of the bike. We got the blue rims. The classic 2018 blue rims. Yeah. So it looks a lot like the 250, but it feels a lot different, honestly, just from the little bit I rode it so far. Electric start is super awesome. Don't know what that is. Haven't rode bikes in a while, so whatever. But hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We will see you guys in the next one. Peace.